Most people have reached that point where their phone storage is screaming for mercy, and those monthly cloud bills are starting to feel like a permanent tax on digital life. That is exactly where this little black box comes in. It is essentially a personal cloud that sits on your desk, and honestly, the setup is shockingly simple. You just scan a QR code, and it handles the heavy lifting. There is no need to be a network engineer or spend hours digging through complex settings. It is refreshing to see a piece of tech that actually respects the user's time right out of the box. Physically, it is a compact, unassuming unit that fits easily on a shelf or next to a router. It feels solid, not like some cheap plastic toy, and it stays quiet enough that you will likely forget it is even running. The 4 terabytes of space inside is plenty for most households to dump their entire photo library and years of documents without worrying about hitting a ceiling. What makes this stand out is how it handles the ecosystem. You can pull files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive and consolidate everything into one spot. It is a great way to finally cut those recurring subscription fees that just keep creeping up. The software experience is surprisingly smooth. Whether you are grabbing a file from a laptop or checking a photo on a phone, the interface feels snappy. It even lets you share specific folders with family members, giving everyone their own private slice of the pie. It is a clever way to keep things organized without turning the whole house into a tech support nightmare. The syncing feature is another highlight, as it keeps your work updated across different machines, which is a lifesaver if you are constantly jumping between a desktop and a mobile device. Now, it is not perfect. While it is incredibly user-friendly, those who are used to the deep, granular control of a traditional NAS might find the software a bit too locked down. It is built for simplicity, so if you are the type who wants to tinker with every single setting or run custom server applications, this might feel a little restrictive. Also, since it is a wired device, you are tethered to your router, so you will need to make sure you have a spot for it nearby. But for the vast majority of people who just want their data safe, accessible, and under their own roof, this is a solid, no-nonsense solution that finally makes personal cloud storage feel accessible to everyone. It is a smart, practical piece of hardware that does exactly what it promises without the usual headaches.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.